If you have a shower that's draining slowly, it's most likely because there's hair trapped in your drain. This little tool right here is going to help get that hair out. So what you want to do is you just put this in the drain and keep pulling it in and out, and the hair will hook on to these little ridges here and then get pulled out. So let's give it a go. Sometimes it gets stuck. I'm just gonna keep. You see some stuff kind of came up, but this one isn't too bad because I did it recently. And if you pull it up and there's a bunch of hair trapped on it, then you should pull the hair off and then just put it down the toilet. Now there wasn't a whole lot of hair or gunk that came out of this shower because we just did it recently, but if yours is clogged up and you use this tool, you'll see a lot more come out.